Your teacher today is Dr. Bosa, Science. Dr. Bosa is a teacher at the Science Foundation College, the best school that teaches sciences. Today, 3rd February 2021, we are going to study O-level physics, properties of light and pinhole camera. Our website is digitalteachers.co.ug. Here find notes, exams, and their marking guides in physics, chemistry, biology, math, and primary subjects. Or on YouTube website, type in Digital Teachers Uganda and enter. You'll be given categories of videos in physics, chemistry, biology, math, and primary subjects. Please subscribe to promote my videos. Subscription is free. The best secondary school in Uganda is the Science Foundation College. The best primary school in Uganda is Rock of Ages Primary School. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see. Sources of light. A. Natural sources include sun, star, glowing worm, lightning, and so on. B. Artificial sources include bulb, candle, firewood, lamps, and so on. Some other objects, such as the moon, are seen because they reflect light, although they are not sources of light. Transmission of light. Light travels from one place to another through vacuum or media. Types of media. Transparent media is a substance such as clear glass that allows much light to pass through it. 2. Translucent medium is a substance that allows little light energy to pass through it. For example, cloud water and frosted glass. 3. Opaque media is a substance that does not allow light to pass through it. For example, a person. A stone is an opaque medium. A ray of light is a path through which light travels. It is indicated by an arrow pointing from the source. This is a ray of light. A beam of light is a collection of rays. Types of beams. 1. Parallel beam. Rays are parallel to each other. 2. Converging beam. Rays meet at a common point. 3. Divergent beam. Rays diverge from a common point. Rectilinear propagation of light. Light travels in a straight line. Experiments to show that light travels in a straight line using 3 equal squared cardboards, each with a hole in the center. When the holes are in line, light is seen on the other end. When one of the card is displaced to remove its hole from the line, light to the other end is cut off. 2. using a straight pipe. Light passes through a straight pipe and seen on the other end. When the pipe is bent, light to the other end is cut off. Shadows. A shadow is formed when light is obstructed by an opaque object. 1. A shadow formed by a point source is equally dark. When an opaque object is moved closer to the light source, the size of the image increases. 2. A shadow formed by an extended source of light has a darker patch, umbra, in the center and a lighter outer patch, penumbra, as shown below. Umbra receives no light at all. Penumbra receives some light. Eclipses occur when the sun, moon, and earth are in straight lines. Types of eclipses. 1. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon is between the sun and earth. 2. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth is between the sun and the moon, as shown below. Fluorescent substances. These are substances that absorb energy and immediately release it in the form of light. For example, zinc sulfide, used in the cathode ray oscilloscope. 2. Phosphorescent substances. These are substances that absorb energy falling on them, then release this energy in the form of light after energy has stopped falling on them. Pinhole camera. It consists of a closed blackened box with a small hole on one face and a screen on the other. It also demonstrates that light travels in a straight line. Properties of images formed by pinhole camera. They are real, they are inverted, they may be the same size as the object, diminished or magnified. Factors affecting properties of images formed by pinhole camera. When the distance between the pinhole and the object is reduced, the image becomes bigger, and vice versa. When the distance between the pinhole and the screen is increased, the image becomes bigger. 3. When the size of the pinhole is enlarged, the image becomes bright but blurred or less sharp because of too much light entering the camera. Linear magnification of a pinhole camera. Magnification M is equal to image height over object height. Is the same as image distance from the pinhole over object distance from the pinhole. Lens camera. A simplified drawing of a lens camera is shown. Lens focuses the image of object on the film. The diaphragm controls amount of light entering the camera. Shutter controls exposure time of light on the film. The film is where an image is developed. Differences between pinhole and lens camera. In a pinhole camera, image is always focused. In the lens camera, image is brought to focus by adjusting the lens position. In the pinhole camera, light intensity entering is fixed. In the lens camera, the intensity of light entering is variable. In the pinhole camera, image distance is fixed. In the lens camera, image distance is variable. Differences between the lens camera and the eye. In the lens camera, the lens has a fixed focal length. The lens in the eye has a variable focal length. In the lens camera, the distance between the lens and the screen is variable. In the eye, the distance between the lens and the retina is fixed. The lens is artificial in the lens camera. In the eye, the lens is living. In the lens camera, the image formed is permanent. In the eye, the image formed is temporary. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Our website is digitalteachers.co.uk. Here find notes, exams, and their marking guides in physics, chemistry, biology, math, and primary subjects. Or on YouTube website, in search, type in Digital Teachers Uganda and enter. You'll be given categories of videos in physics, chemistry, biology, math, and primary subjects. Please subscribe to promote my videos. Subscription is free. The best secondary school in Uganda is the Science Foundation College. The best primary school in Uganda is Rock of Ages Primary School.